All right, well, it's official. We just did our selections on a new house we're buying and building. I got the gold shovel because we're about to break ground and mark the moment that we.
They already broke ground. They put the whole slab out.
No, they don't know that yet on the video.
Dang.
I was just gonna show them a corner of the dirt. All right, they already did their hard part, but I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna help them out a little bit, dig a little hole, take a little ceremonial picture, and go from there.
Like that.
All right, let's go break ground. All right, well, yeah, this is the lot that we've got. We're staying in the same pretty much area we live now, but we just needed more space, something newer, and it's about that time. So let's grab this shovel. Let's dig a hole, and let me. I'm gonna set this up. All right. Well, as you guys seen the other day, we're buying a new house building. We're coming by to take a look at it, and they finally got the walls up. There's no drywall or anything in there. Insulation's still waiting to be wrapped, but the tubs are there. The roof is going on, like the shingles for the roof, and making grooves. Those are the windows. They had a party on Friday. They got bears all over the place, but it's all right. As long as they build the house right, they can drink all the beers they want. This is where the kitchen's gonna be. It's back. That's the chimney. That's gonna be a bedroom, dining room, upstairs. That's that window that's right there underneath the, on top of the countertops. All right, back patio.
Yeah, no pool from here.
All right. So this is going to be a bedroom. This will be a open spot to the foyer.
Sense of this?
This is going to be the other bedroom.
If this is a bedroom, why does it have a door? As if it was a Jack and Jill.
All right, so this is the current progress of the house. They got the drywall up, insulation up. We're now looking somewhat like a house. Let's go upstairs. But let's see how this continues to go. I got the plumbing coming for where the island goes. Pantry, obviously outside, but they're putting the siding up also. All right, so this is our bedroom. This is the sitting area. This is the bathroom. It's coming along. All right, so this is upstairs now. Trim work's getting done here. So it's the loft area. London's room, bathroom, Jason's room, laundry room, and now the master bedroom, sitting area, bathroom. So it's all coming together. Ready to move? Yep, we just sold our house today, so kind of homeless for now, for the next month. All right, this is current status of it right now. Driveway's been laid. They already painted on the inside. They still got to paint the outside. Put in some doors, the garage door opener. We're making progress though. All right, here's an update. We can't go in, so we're sitting in the car because they changed the locks on it. Don't know why, but they changed the lock, so can't go in just yet until the leasing office place gets a copy of the keys. But we got a lawn, we got 2 trees up, we have pines showing all that stuff. The house has been painted, the purple, you see it.
Right now.
I wish we could, but not yet. But it's coming together, so let's see how this goes.
I want to be alone.
All right, so we got carpet. Carpet's now in here. They just called us lit up today to find out what color hardwood floor is supposed to be there. They're repatching up the whole walls so that they didn't. I guess they was painted, but they had dings and stuff from when they was moving stuff. Continue working, so they'll just come back in, do the small patches, but they still have to stain that. We have a lawn now. They came and put in the mudroom, pantry, fridge. We have to get a fridge. I'm not getting a fridge from them. Double oven, sink, oven. There's supposed to be a range hood here, so we gotta figure out what we plan on doing with that. Otherwise than that, we're covered together. Let's go take upstairs where everybody else is. Alright, so this is the foyer. It's gonna be where the office is. Little loft area. London's bedroom. Kids' bathroom.
Mommy, how about Princess sheets in a bunk bed? Huh?
Maybe we're gonna need another door. There's a warp right there.
Mommy! Mommy?
Alright, so it's coming to an end. We're in the closing office now. We're gonna go sign some paperwork and then it'll be officially over. You ready? Alright, let's do this. Alright, so closing is officially over. We got the keys to the house. We started this process in September. Well, I think actually we started in August. We started looking at houses and actually visited the community. Then in September is when we kind of got the ball rolling. But the 2 storage pods were delivered today. Before we even closed, I had them delivered. Internet guy comes tomorrow, no, Thursday. So I still have to continue work from Shirell's mother's house. Fridge comes tomorrow, which is cool. We get to do a product review on a fridge. It's one of the Samsung Smart Hub refrigerators. But yep, let's take a quick browse around. Let me take my shoes off because I already started unpacking some things. Sure, I just wanted to go get us something to eat. But here's the kitchen. It's finished finally. The fridge is coming tomorrow. We got blinds now, so last time you guys seen this probably got different. The light blue in there, so I gotta change that. But we're moving in. I don't know what this is called. I'm not sure what that's called. But this is the little. This is the mudroom area. This is the pantry. Pretty big size pantry. We asked to go with the range hood instead of going to microwave. So just put the microwave on the side. All right, let's take a look. I think the kids are already in the playroom. They got school tomorrow, so they can't really stay. Well, Casey got therapy. London got school. All right. So this is the bathroom for downstairs. This is where the kids' playroom is gonna be. Yep. All right. So they do have to still come back and fix a piece of wood here. They try to fix it, but it doesn't look good, so they're just gonna replace the plank. The dining room area, the foyer, I guess that's what's called. There's Dolce. Let's take a walk upstairs. See if we're focusing. Focus. Focus. All right, so now we're upstairs. This is going to be where I'm going to work. So this is going to be my office area, and also my closet is going to be in here because Sherell's taking over. This is like a little loft area. Probably just going to put a small couch and a desk here for the kids to do their homework. This is going to be London's room. That's the kids' bathroom. Gonna come down the hall here. This is gonna be Casey's room. I already started bringing the mattress up. I was the first one out. Laundry room. Come in. This is our bedroom. Sitting area. bathroom. And then Sherell's closet. But it's all said and done now. It's been a very fun journey. You know, we sold our house back in November, like 2 days before Thanksgiving. We sold a house, and we've been at Sherell's mother's house ever since. It's been good. Kids have been enjoying it. They've had a lot of fun, and that's it. But about to start doing a lot more videos now that things are starting to calm down. I think the next video's release is us going to the circus. But thank you guys for watching, and if you got any questions, comments, let us know in the below. And if this is the first time joining us, definitely subscribe. We're about to have a whole lot of more adventures for the new year, and I'm hungry, so we'll take a break now and wait for Cheryl to come back.